You've got unique skills and knowledge, and publishing a nonfiction book is a common way to share that expertise. But most publishers, self-publishers, even ebook marketplaces all withhold one vital piece of information. Information that gives them the power and holds you back from making the income you deserve. They know who bought your book. They continue to profit by selling other products to your readers. But if you had this information, you'd have the power. Power to build a business around your knowledge. We call these information businesses, and we call the authors that build them infopreneurs. Once you've found readers willing to pay for your expertise, you don't want to stop there. Many of your readers will want to buy other books and information products you create. This is the key to making the income you deserve. Many infopreneurs can easily make 3 times more selling to their existing customers than they did from their initial book. Don't get stuck leaving money on the table as an author. Put the power in your hands. Learn how easy it is to become an infopreneur.